Hello again. I'm the fine drink enthusiast of Court Liquors, bringing you a blast from the past, a throwback. Today I'll be making for you a Manhattan. Now, the Manhattan is one of the oldest American cocktails. It's American as American can get. It's cherry pie, it's American as fireworks on the 4th of July. It got its start back in the 1870s, the late 1870s, in a bar called the Manhattan Bar, where people were flocking to this bar because this guy was making these drinks with 3 key ingredients. And that's how cocktails really got their names back in the day. They got named after one of 3 things: the place, the person, or a woman. Go back and look at some of your favorite cocktails and you'll see what I mean. In order to get this drink going, you're gonna need a few things. You're going to need a jigger. You're going to need your trusty bar spoon. You're going to need a Hawthorne strainer. And you're gonna need a mixing glass, which in this case, I used the glass part of a Boston shaker. And you'll need a rocks glass, preferably chilled, but in this situation, I used a large ice cube. Going by the old ways of doing things, we're gonna start with the smallest ingredients first, and then we'll work our way up. Using the glass portion of the Boston shaker, you're gonna need to fill it with ice. Just remember, always look for those healthy cubes, because healthy ice, healthy life, remember that. You can go halfway full, that's fine. Now you'll need to add your ingredients. You're gonna need 2 dashes of bitters. So you go 1 for the money, 2 for the show. You're gonna need 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. If you wanna use 1 ounce, basically half of the tall side of a jigger. So you go, there you go, the Pai Mei technique of pouring. There you go. And finally, use your rye whiskey. I use a Dark Horse Distillery company. Great company, check them out. So basically, we'll go on the healthy side of a pour and a half in the jigger. So let's go with that. That's a good pour. Your pour technique is so crucial. Stir it up real good. You get your trusty Hawthorne strainer, and then you're gonna pour it over that healthy ice cube. And last but not least, we're gonna take some brandied cherries and just put that in on the top. Because you know what they say, life is all about the accoutrements. This is about as classic can get. Until next time, I'm the fine drink enthusiast of Court Liquors. Keep those drinks cold. Cheers.